So I created this logo and it was voted as the best logo for this particular client. Everyone liked this one. All right, so this is the version I'm using. Now I'm branding it rather, all over this website. You see it's all over. There's images. It's over here on the about part. Put it in the background section over here. It's on a little phone over here. Got it on other images, about services. This individual, who I actually have known for a very long time, does. Okay, building permits and things like that, and he does electrical and plumbing and HVAC repairs. So here is his logo. All right, now I have a problem on the footer. Look at that. Doesn't have good contrast. Looks great up here, you know, in the about section and in the top left section on the address bar, but when you go down, horrible contrast. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. I'm going to go into Photoshop. I have opened up the image. I'm then going to go into the magic wand tool. I have made a duplicate of the logo. I put 2 of them here, so if I mess up the integrity of the logo, I didn't screw it up totally. I have a backup. Taking this one away, holding shift after I've selected the magic wand tool. Select these letters, H-O-M-E. I'm going to hit Control. I'm going to go to actually Control X and edit, paste special, paste in place. Now I've just made a separate layer of that little home thing here. All right. In this one, always name your layers, H-O-M-E. This is called home. Oh, geez, I spelled home wrong. My God. H-O-M-E. All right, here we go. All right, baby. Now, home is right here. I'm going to hit Control L. I'm going to make this black. And guess what? We're going to go into this section here where there's nothing going on. And I'm going to now go into the magic wand again. Little intricate. It's not so bad. Don't worry. I'm going to make this all. Actually, you know what? We don't even have to highlight everything. What am I doing? Select, deselect. Due to the fact that all of this is in one layer now, I can now hit Control L. I can make all of this white. I can hit OK. And now I can bring home back. And now home is in black. That is all in white. I'm going to go to, I'm actually going to put this, because I did it in a bigger layer, I'm going to put it into here and shrink it, because this is the fixed dimensions that are going to fit within here. But I like working in a bigger workspace, so I just changed it over here. And before I do anything, I'm going to go to File, Save As, because I'm a nerd. And I'm going to make it all in one logo. I'm going to call this one white version. White version. Yeah, I said white. Get over it. All right, so we're going to hit save. All right, there's save. You need the black version as well. You do need both. I know that that's the black version. So what I'll do is, you know what you really should do? You really ought to do this too. Call this black version. That's the black version. Now over here, we'll click here, click on black version and just change it to white version. Wow. Okay, hit save. And now I have a white version of this thing. Now I'm going to collapse everything. So I'll hold shift. I will right click, merge layers. Now everything is all right here. I'm going to bring up this part right here, which is also the, actually you don't need that now. Over here, I'm going to go to select all, edit, copy. I'm going to go into this part, edit, paste, Control T. I am going to shrink it. Hold Control, Shift rather. Grab the corner. It keeps the integrity of the shape. It doesn't make it get too fat, too skinny. It just keeps it just right. So we got it right here. I'm going to line that sucker right up. I'm going to get real close because I'm crazy like that. Let's hit Alt, back up a bit, move it over here. Come here, you. All right, there we have it. I'm going to hit Control T. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, holding Shift and make it bigger. I'm going to go to the very edge so that this way I know that it's going to, see, I know it's going to fit this fixed entity. Right about there, sucker. Love it. Very good. Take this away. There it is. We're going to back it up because it's pixelated. That's how it's going to look. Go to File, Save As. After you've gone to Save As, we'll make it, this is a PNG. PNGs do not have backgrounds. was the footer. I know it was here. See the need for file management. All right, I'm going to hit save. I'm going to replace it. Yes. Yes. Now check it out. All right, here's the logo of the original one. Pow. There it is. Now you can see that it is now has much, much, much better contrast, and it looks better. And there you got it. All right. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, I know where it went. Right there. There it is. Okay. And obviously when you click this, it will go into the home page, which is right there. Bam. And everything looks pretty darn sharp. All right. So that is how we do it, my people. All righty. Thank you.